Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. You can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you gon' do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle, I'm drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got a face, but you wear a little bit of makeup to keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle, I'm drip, drip, drip.
Hey y'all, so I had already started her hair. I'm really loving like knotless. Tell me how y'all feel. To me, they easier than regular box braids. I love a box braid though. Anywho, y'all see the blue and the purple leftover hair. Plus, I love a highlight. I thought this was really cute. I'm not really good with feed-ins, so, practice makes perfect. I'm not professionally trained. I am self-taught. Well, cousin taught. My cousin taught me. I wish I would stop by and chit-chat. Like, I'm a talker. Come talk. Kenzie hates getting her hair done. Like, she hates me. But I do have a lot of hair footage. I started doing this as therapy for myself because I like to do hair and I like to watch me do hair. So most of my views are from me. I don't know. I hope y'all comment, like, share, subscribe. Let's be great. Tell me what y'all would like to see me do, whether it be on the hubby. My son just recently got his dreads twisted. That's something new I haven't got into. I would love to, like, learn and grow with y'all, like all you expert people. Leave a comment. Tell me what I could adjust. I'm here for it all. I went to school for cosmetology, but it was like high school, so I stopped. I like people till I don't. And sad. Being a social introvert, I think that's how you say it, forever. But now I'm kind of breaking out of my shell. Kind of late in life, but gotta start somewhere. Anywho, this actually came out pretty cute. It's better than the pictures that you'll see at the end. I didn't have the patience to deal with Kenzie because sometimes she get to tripping like, I don't want my hair done. Like, really, sis? We at the end. We can't get these great pictures. I'm doing this for YouTube. We can't help mommy out. I mean, this is a free hairdo. Okay, I digress. Anywho, sorry about the quality, or if it's good, let me know. Tell me what I can do to change it. All you professional YouTube people, because I be needing help with, all of it. Pictures, editing, like, help. I frequent the short bus, so please keep it simple. I got a few things like pre-recorded. I had the hubby do a braid stand for me. We recorded it. I redid my little desk area. We recorded that. I just been shy about dropping the footage because I don't know, I would like for somebody to see the work. It's like my art, and I feel like anybody watching it. Granted, I am doing this as a stress reliever, I guess. My way of coping with my anxiety. I like to create stuff. When I get anxious, I get to doing somebody's hair or find something to decorate. Anybody else like that? You an anxious creative person? That's me. So yeah, I like this pre-parting thing. I think that's pretty dope. I watched somebody on YouTube do that. I'm not for sure who it was, but it's either Dope XX. I think that's her name. Like, she's super dope. And then it's this African lady. Somebody can braid. I can't remember. I'm sorry. If you know who I'm talking about, drop it or message me. But yeah, I love watching other people do stuff. Then I try to go and do it to my victims here. Like, Larry done had fake dreads for a guy. Let me know if y'all would like to see that, because he's been itching to get me to do him some dreads. So let me know if you want to see that, because I will definitely do it. Everybody always tell me that it'd be so dope. So can y'all let me know what y'all think, what I can improve. I did a video of how I do my hair that was short, crochet, of course with Kima, Ocean Wave. We went to Vegas. There's that. I could drop that video because we did a whole bunch of footage. We went to Vegas within the pandemic, and I could tell y'all what I didn't like, what I did like, Let me know if you want to hear it. Anywho, everybody be great. Keep it budget friendly. Because with all my ideas, I'll be spending some bank, but in a cheap way. Like, Amazon is my best friend. That apron I got on, y'all, that was $1 budgeting. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I think the rest of the footage speaks for itself. If it don't, let me know. Like, I wish they had the care thing, like how they got on Facebook, so y'all could just throw some cares. Like, girl, you need to quit, because I don't care. Or, girl, that was dope, because I do care. Alright, y'all. Bye. I lied. I'm back. Sorry. I kept on watching. I told y'all I like to watch. It'd be cute to me, girl. Anyway, in a minute, she gonna start smiling. Like, yo, she was giving me the business on this video. Y'all don't know how many cuss words I said. You might want to go back and check them eye rolls. Like, sis be giving it to me. I thought I wanted a little girl, but baby, they don't tell you the little girl want rules. Okay? Anywho, watch her. She about to be like, yeah. Look at her. Feeling herself. Like, the TikTok went epic. Look at her. Oh, y'all saw that, right? Oh, I saw it too because I pushed her head. Anyway, I want to come back and say, I had weight loss surgery, so, I had to thin it, and I thought if I cut my hair, it would come back. The cosmetology student in me was like, girl, just cut it. It'll come back thicker. Let me know if y'all want to talk about that. Anyway, I thought if I got my mole removed, oh man, I got that kind of like footage, like blog type of material. Cause if y'all go back and watch the other videos, that mole I point out. I think in one of them videos I point that joint out. But I had got it removed. I couldn't actually get the footage of the removal, but I still feel like hoping somebody can understand. Anywho, I'm devastated right now because I just came back from. He had to go back in and get the root, y'all. Like, who knew that? Look at that J-Lo. I'm sorry, I had to stop on that. Yes, yes. J-Lo is AKA baby here. My best friend at the time used to always say, I wanted that baby here. I'm like, oh, you looking for J-Lo? And it's been J-Lo to me ever since. Yes, I don't know why we zoomed in right there, but you can get an idea. Look at that. Ow. Yes, fix it, girl. Fix it. Anybody else? I be having trouble with feed-ins. Like, yo, why is it a feed-in? I'm so old school that like all of it, I could braid. I've been braiding since I was 13. But these new techniques, I'm still working on how to stitch braid. I've been watching videos, so I'm a visual learner. I know I'm gonna get it, but I don't have the people to practice on like how I need. Anybody in the Charlotte area that want to get their hair braided on the video and let me do it how I want to do it for a small fee?
Then we'll come back
Plus
for
hair.
a final spin.
Hey, hair is expensive, and I think unless you want some of my hair I digress. Let's focus. And we're back. So I dipped her hair. Don't look cute right there. It's so cute. I dipped it in hot water, moved. Like, I used to think that none of this stuff mattered, but my braids used to be boo-boo. And then I started paying attention and putting the mousse and the hairspray and the gook for this and the gook for that. All gooks matter. So yeah. Let me know if it's somebody in Charlotte area that's willing to be a model in support of your girl. I meet a lot of people. I do a lot of people's hair, but I just don't record it because, that's kind of rude. Like, first of all, sis, you doing hair out your house, and you gonna ask me to record? Really? But the little kids, I'm like, y'all ain't grown. Y'all don't let me record. I'm gonna ask your mama, and you ain't be able to tell me nothing. So that's how I get the other little people. So I think she went to go get some oil. I'm not for sure. I forgot. She ain't about to like I'll wrap her hair up and show you this that. But look at her. She was so y'all be knowing it be taking me some hours to do hair. And you go through some movies, several different emotions. Anybody else got a daughter that be like, I love her, but no. Like, sometimes she be look. Yeah.
No.
She did not like girl. She got her limits. Like, she got levels of girl like, you pushing it. That's too much, mommy. She don't say it, but so y'all saw that too. So that's about it. It's done. It's cute. I put a little happy face red in there, but you see how cute it look right here. I feel like when the pictures pop in, it's gonna look black. But that's just the OCD. Ooh, did you see that? Oh, I think this the day I got the mole removed, so I got an attitude anyway. We both was on some bull. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry I'm ratchet. Clack it. See? It look okay. But in real life, it was really cute. Okay, for real. I'm gone. Bye. Okay, bye.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. You can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but you wear a little bit of makeup. She keep her hair fixed, add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip.